te mi bakala no so dawi hipokopo do pa te gala hinigi wera sopa no takora la pagate mala away ni kora la jeroboyan no jeroboyan ne awami porgala haki wera su kogtupu no haki wera kogtupu no pagate mala para la sopa lucky get a sukumu wera la pagate ma awani yetego and made all not just of us to seek him no solo to seek he ata le copro basana ke ne awani yete arhawana ne jamawi mategi wet sepo no copro la paragai ne awe or tabayu le pagate bomb with the fakakida gesu so no so da we apoli pagate ma asya the pa o no quota on a web leader do pamile by a Jerusalem pudo le jwa ta le hi do ke ro ba phu le no when so pa saslo ma phu khwa no ba ke no ma la ko ra le no hey ni so pa saslo ma phu khwa ni ko ra le rahobuya no rahobuya ni no rahobuya ni awe ba de ne ki hi ki ro pa ke nyo de ba ke ki ra ke su oh mà nó te ero wetin ba kuta weti do wala no pana cloth thu no weti do cloth thu no do ma pa ga mun le gri do bu do ba tho ne no basana ki do phei ni no pakete ma la away ni wili no basana je kale ero le wala le ba kha lo no pa ka nyo no away ywa apa ka nyo ne hewe su yu ta ge klo ye ero te ma no da le ywa pa ka nyo hewe su yu ta ge klo ne no Pagatinya o le cle ami a no abuma no pasana ki ro pay pekele kwa le ywa pakanyo hevera su no yuda ne agim ni timile no pay ro dera no by the word of the Lord a man of God come from Judas to no Bethel pani Bethel ne bagate mala awani no Jeroboam ne awati ro wara cloth two penny hota no awe he penny no be tinya penny sikolo as no Jeroboam was standing by the altar to make an offering no penny ro bagate mala Jeroboam ne bagate mala awe penny no bagate ma so no so yara ba sata wela talulo akadi to akasuke tanamuno talulo akho no pagite ma la awani awakasuke tanamu phamu no ywa apa ka nyone heweda su o no phane no tera he cried out against the altar by the word of the Lord. Oh altar, this is what the Lord say no a son named no Josiah will be born to the house of David on you no he will sacrifice the priest of the high place who now make offering here and human born will be born in you no panero ta hete o no panero pagete ma la tama ata ti pha ta hete o ge klo ni phai ma no pagete ma ko tho we do thoda ta no lu no pagete ma ta lu lo le ywa no agli gita do siweda no ywa agli gita do we siweda dile no siweda ta lu lo no ywa city e kwa pota daga ko ple we le sota we ahi ami no pagete ma le phai ne ami so yosia do no akaluta a lot tho no pagete ma la apwaluta adu ta pha la na phoko pala asuke tanamula na phoko do me u ko o pakanyo akhi akwela phoko lo no awete we ni no hi no pai ni ko ra la no prisa no hi prisa leta no kura paka sik tuta timi sikolo pai ni pagete ma la no we want to go through to the no pagete ma la no Bagletara thus someday the man of God give a sign no pagitema tasak munito no no pina jwa paganyone he wera ta sign to come no this is the sign the Lord has declared the altar will be split not apart and the ashes on its way be not pure out ဘယ်တဲ့မှာနော်ဖက်နဲ့တဲတာလို့ pure out စစ်တာနဲ့မိနစ်တင်နေနော်တော့တာလုံးမွတနီနေဟေလောတာပနောတော့စီဝဲတာအိမေတာပနောလရွာကတူတာကွာတာလူလောကတိဖာတော့နော်ဖတ်စာလအိုလဖောခုနော်ကဘာတာဂါလောကွေသာလောဖတ်စာလအိုလဖောခုနဲ့ကဘာတာဂါလောကွေသာနော်အဝဲနေမိတာလနော်ပကတဲမှာရွာပါကညောအကလူမနော်ဟဲဝဲတာမနော်တော့ဖေးတော့ပကလေကွာလတမအတာတိတဖတ်စဖို့ဖေးမနော်ပတိညာစစ်ကောလတမအတာတိတဖာနေအာမာလပတောက်မပူစစ်ကောလောနော်ဖေးနေပကလေကွာလောပကတဲမှာနော်ဂီလူနေ1 can no Jeroboam hear that the man of God crying out against the altar of Bethel. He stretches out his hand from the altar and said, seize him, but the hand he stretched out toward the man, striving up so that he could not pour its back, pagitera ma awani awat to dog is with the nilo, not to sopa yaraba na who you are paganyo attack to aku todata lulo le bithila apunido tama sala na ajuto asula atalulo herdo siweda poka orki do asula ajuto no ajuto toda on him he talk with do yalo ki the thiba no he talk with do yalo with the thiba no when they begin to man no you are packing on in the toda to your one on me torn down him na kero tata mimi lotti no when in the back no the crethina learn the ta almost pusicolo no Penny Pekalequala no also the altar was split apart and is as pure out according to the sign given by the man of God by the word of their Lord. Pagkiten ma away ni, awat tiro wala talulor kaini kasay ma basa ma no. Leta na kuda ro ni pagkiten ma le pagkiro wala le pagkiten ma no awat kiro was sopa no taparo sopa basa na kiro awat luro da ni awat ni kasay ma basa ma no pagkiten tini atu ma no pagkiten tisiko tini tu ma no pain. Do talulo ni te pha do pasat bata le lo gu asa le talulo phako data pano le jua pakanyo hilo wele jua aglu atu ni lo no weni no hilo we takli di ni mo no do pay do no then the king said to the man of God no pay ni so pa ni tewara le jua apakanyo ni intercede with the Lord your God and pray for me that my hand may be restored. So the man of God interceded with the Lord and the king's hand was restored and became as it was before. Then I put out away ni because sopa ni hikanyaki vemo hira le pagiten man hi not just a kid let us put up a get mala when it we kanya wera mo kanyaki wera this sopa mura you are pagano kanya ne ole asu kalok salaki we wani away ni you are pagano ne kanya ne ki mono when it wera asu ne kira ki wera lenya atulo mono pagite mala asu ne khithora phe ayara asu ne mono asu ne khithora phe ne do talulo set power phane mo no talo so pa gai amara ni at the thing ba hu ta ba no pagde ma din ni lo so pay ni the king said to the man of God come home with me and have something to eat and I will give you a gift pagde ma la phane ni so pa de ra ke he poi kilo yi hi pu mo no wu la ni pagde ma la he poi kilo hi do pagde ma order roja pagde ma order roja do phani ro tera jeke hina ta hi mo no tera jeke hina ta hi phai ni tera bust the man of God I'm sure the king phani ro you are apa ka nyo ni si sewra sopa no answer the king si sopa no even if you were to give me have your no position I would not go with you no ပကတဲ့မှာလည်းကဲနေမေဟီယာနတာဖိုတာလီတဝါဒါလည်းမနော်နတာနပရာဖိုတာလီတဝါဒါနဲ့ရပေါ်ခိပါ now would I eat bread or drink water there နော်ပကတဲ့မှာလည်းနော်ဖနေတော့ပကတဲ့မှာလည်းရတအော့အော်တာပါနော်ရတအော့အော်တဲ့ရတအော်တာတော့ရတအော်တာပါနော်ဖနေပကတဲ့မှာဒီနေအတူနော်တော့ဖေးတော့ပကဲစီဝဲဒီလေနော်ပကလေကွာလော်တီလော်စေဖေးတစေကိုတော့ယူအပကညောနေစီလဲစောပါနမီဟီလော်ယာလနဟီအတဝညာတော့ရတလဲနဘတော့နာတော့ရတအကုတော့ရတအောဘတီလတာအလော့ဤပါနော်ရတအကုတော့ရတအောဘတီလတာလော့ဤပါနော်ဒီတနခရဖေးနေတေဝရလေနော်လော်ခွီနေတေဝရဒီလေနော် for I was commanded by the word of the Lord you must not eat bread or drink water or return the way you came no pretend ma awen no na no pretend ma la net oba pretend ma pain no agiri you are aglu ma lo ya dini atu do siweda no okudigi do otigi do kida kile klelen he ni digi no awen ka sa yo ma lo no yo pa ka nyor ga ne ka sa yo ma lo no no pay do David the scene is see no so he took other route and did not return by the way he has come to Bethel no no penny no pakete mala no aweki well a clear buddha dot me bala clear a hesu no be fila no awani pu yo apa nyone no hewe no hema po power bu ne matalu lo wani no ma we lo weki lo no aweki batu pa ni ta lo jero no pani ko ra la no jero bu ya ne awe so pa wan ne ma awe khi ba tu pa ne la wo la ne we ki lo no ba ke de ma din ma no we tu da we to order ba we ki lo no no ba ni ba ke le ko at now there was a certain old prophet living in Bethel whose son came and told him all that not the man of God had done there this day no they also told their father why he has said to the king no when he predicted mala awak to da awak did also partile no de phane mo no do phane we ta pwa da o we so we le bithila bu do phu khwa da pha he do siba ola ke ye ta ma ata le yua apa ka nyo ma we le mu ni ni le bithila apu lo no takatu le asile so pa ne sit de lo siko apa lo no takatu le siwe so pa ne we sit de lo we apa siko no no phai ni pakete no ma lo tsiki ne de we na their father asked them no phai ni no pakete na apa ti de pha ni ti kwa ma no their father asked them no apa ti de pha ni ti kwa phai ma no no which way did he go no we did a clip le bole we lewe mo no and his son showing him which road the man of God from Judah had taken no pene pagite na mala no pa nyo phu khwa hebele Judah bu mo no pene ro apa siba o le kle manu le do phu khwa apa siba kle le yua pa ganyo le hebele Judah de ga ne le ta lo no awe ti ne du ne ba clear bo ni le no awe le ra clear bo ni mo no no phai ro te bra de le so no pakite ma le awe te bra de le so no he said to his son no bu lo ne awe te ba aphu khwa ma no saddle the donkey for me no pakite ma saddle the donkey for me de ra ke te to pa ni ya le no ke ti yo de do no and when they has saddled the donkey for him, he mounted it. No, when they put it, I went not over no, I went the other, I went leave him, no. Pagate or dinner, no, pagate mala, no, I went it sit on it, David up, pagate lequa pain, no. Don't see what I put one pani, waka, cathedral, not the key door away, waka, cathedral, ago, don't do well or no, away do no, away leave him, no. Bema tene dini tu mo no tisiko avweni siko no do paini pakele kwa le sunya ta to ni te ba mne le and rode after the man of God he found him sitting under an oak tree and asked, "Are you the man of God who came from Judah?" เนาะเป็นเอาไว้เลวได้หรอเนาะปกติเรามาแล้วเอาไว้ที่นี่ไม่ได้ปกติเรามาเนาะเอาไว้ที่นี่ไม่ได้เอาไว้ที่นี่เราสิ่งเอาไว้ได้เลยปกติเรามาแล้วแต่allมันน่ะเราติดคุกพาละมาเนาะปกติเรามาเดี๋ยวนี้เนาะเพราะนี่ปกติเรามาแล้วเดี๋ยวที่นี่อ๋อสิ่งเอาเลยติดทุกพาเนาะพาละเดี๋ยวสิบ่อ๋อนี่ไม่ยัวปากกันยังเลยเฮเลยยูดาสิกว่าเดี๋ยวสิเวลาอย่าล้อเนาะเอาไว้สิเกี่ยวได้อย่าล้อเนาะ I am he replied เนาะ so no, the prophet said to him, "Come home with me and eat." No, I tell la no, because my soul no, mid corny no, because we need sibaya la no, said to seba no, tera la head or otko dara jamo, tera dilmo. No, the man of God said, "I cannot trumpet and go with you, nor can I eat bread or drink water with you not in this place." Because no mala yet kira de ba no yet all daro na ba yet all ko daro na siko ba no because no ma ko mi gi no ta ti mi gi bi to o ba no because no ma no yet kira do na siko ba because no ma din no 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 pero te wa la manuti mi le pe no I have been told by the word of the Lord, you must not eat bread or drink water there or return by the way you came. No, because no ma away no. Takatulu no because no ma yua agli ta takatu siwala no yetaba ora ba no do lo yaki daki su yekle no bane because no no. The old prophet answered, "I too no because no I too am no a prophet as you are no because ma ya sikone ya ke siko because ma lo wirga siko ma siba or no pain ni siweda no because ma lo ya siko no wete weda ni me siba or no yeda yemi no because ma wisiko dina atu do kaludaga katuta do yala you are aglu no do siweda hesu or su yi di tu no yeka okudo otirki dog katu kabli kablata do olo talo pakte ma la padopu adi phami katu kabli kablata do pwane ba na persiko no away ba na per no pa mita na per alu awne pakasa la awne lwe lo no pano kasara we atapita mane le lo phaini tebra le pakte ma no no tebra le phaini no said to me by the word of the Lord, now bring him back with you to your house, no, house so that he may eat bread and drink water. But he was lying to him. No, when it did all no, pay the Pakitan mana away, David Akablik Blam, take a big blanny with that. No, we got it, you are malopa on dinner to away about whatever, no, a bucky look clear at the book. No, David a dare attack to Lolo. As like a mat who is sick or no, when is sick on it to give no, when he put it in my dinner. So the man of God returned with him and ate and drank in his house. No, put them. You are Baganyoni, order, or no, Kidaro or run order, no, do all a him, no, when the order, the all he. Do pay why they were sitting at the table, the word of the Lord came to the old prophets who had brought him back, you know. And when it all Bagatinya learn, no, Batinya Sikola away to Supuro, no, pay away this sin or the Capocona winning, did I know? Penny, did I like, no, but Casagli, hello, where I soon, no, Watapua, we a Tapuarga, no, old prophets with Tapuarga, no, who have brought him back, no, Pargala, Haki sorgani no teram no haki sorgani no no baniro pakiteno mala no aware haki sorgani he cried out to the man of God who had come from Judah. This is what the Lord say, you had defied the word of the Lord and have not keep the command not the Lord your God give you. When it pakiteno mala not define. But think ya sikola Penny, no, Pagate Mala, Dile, no, Pagate Ma. Do Kuto Vesu, you are Pagano, do le hella you are a siweda, you are CDE, no, mean the puto you are takudo, no, Katu, no, the two name bata malula, you are like a sam maluna, no, the two name bata malula, you are like a sam maluna, no. They were at dinner, no, do you came bed and ate bread and drank water in the place now where he told you not to eat or drink. Now therefore your body will not be buried in the tomb of your father. Now when it began no pero pagita ma don haki daki don no otko da pagita ma no o kudo oti le a lot pe yuasibana o ku degree do oti degree ni do no pay ni te da le no nesu te heba sunapa te pa atwa kupu ba no nesu ni te ba ki ba sunapa atwa kupu ba no te we dini mo no do pagita te ma le pay ni pagile kwa le no Kisitani David when the man of God has finished, no, Pagitanaman, when he Pagitanamala, no, you are Paganyorga, no, aware Pagitanama has finished eating and drinking the prophets who has brought him birth, no, settle his donkey for him. Now, when he Pagitanamala, take to know where all we run in, no, when he no, we can take to know ta or we run it where the all could have run in, take it on no, bacala, no, Becate malo, no, cathedral po, no, take it on all cathedral, no, let her go up a thin sick or tatty to panic, penny, pickle quad sepono, no, pay dollar or cook, no, a lot key, dollar or tea. A lot keen tama athala away that waka cathedral, no, low wheeler hacky sooty or take a one law, no, wheeler hacky sorty or warganilo, no, no, Pagitanama workate tornira we penimono. No penny, as he went on his way, a lion meet him on the road and killed him, and now his body was thrown down on the road with both not the drunkard and the lion standing beside it. Pretend my away. Away kira clear a permutilum, away pretend my la kijuni, mono hair, the girl or epoch or no pretend my la away a choni would not David have a click pa, pretend or dinner, no. Away pagasi or dinner to lomano. The then look at penny, David sick or luminity mile, no. Some people who pass by saw the body thrown down there with the lion standing beside the body, and they went and reported it in the city where the old prophet lived. No, penny pocket malana. Aware pala ale kogara tiweta the paniro, no. Aware the pigema te plaro wera titaklu, wera Waragai a theater click a bar, but they are dinner to this color, Muchimu or Takatumano. Penny packet tailor quackwad or Paganon le Puquid or Tiba a soap, no, Paganama awkward tea at a penny le clepu, do kiju, certain le her, do hesibat teba or no penny whip, no, penny Paganamana, no, see kiju certain le her, do hesibat. Teba we whip no pair whipu pair with a poor OS well up or when head teba with a poor OS well up no head teba kilmano. No bagate mala tamata the pani away me tat the me sick or up Pacrana per sick or tagita cluti the passicle no. Away ni Pacro patu patala tagita cluti the part minute to me there no. No pay or pacale no one the prophets who has brought him best from the journey, no? Pagatena mala, we the gala haki socky or le clay punumano, le clay punumano, heard of is, he said, it is the man of God who defined the word of the Lord, no? Pagatena ma away ni meet a pacanyodaga, no, you are pacanyodaga, no, Pagatena no, you are pacanyodaga, no, penny, no, the Lord has the lion now which have now mulus him and keep him as the word of the Lord has won him. Kasa you are to below, no? You are to below lisi colino, no? Penny terala, don't lewe or tine sudo, oqui, no? Oquiti etha, no? Oquiti etha, le clay, pudo cathedral, do kiyu settle well a suit a her, do kiyu to oba, a suit do, no? To ipoba as. ပကတဲ့တေဖောဘကတိယောပါနော်တော့အဆုပါတေဖောဘကတိယောရှိကောပါနော်ခိယူနေမနော်ဘယ်တော့ပကလေတေပကလေကွာစမနာ the prophet said to his son နော်ပကတဲ့မှာလဲအဝိနေမိတလားနော်ဝိနေစေဘဝရအဖို့ခွာမနော်ဝိကလည်းစေဘ Zero the donkey for me and they did so နော်ပကတဲ့မှာအဝိနေကတဲ့တော်နာယောကကတိယောတူနော်အဝဲတဲ့မာနေဝရand they did so no with the money was not them he went out and found the body thrown down on the roads with the donkey and the lion standing beside it the lion has neither eaten the body nor mules the donkey I want to see no panini noပကစီအောတီဒီလေဖိနေကတူတာအဖူကွာတဖာစီဝဲတာနော်ဝကတိယော်ကီတော့ဝဲတိဝကဝဲလောနော်ဒေါ်လေဝဲတော့တိနေအဆုတော့နော်ဥကွီတီအသာလက်ကလေပူတော့ကတိယော်တော့ခီယူစက်ဝဲလဲနော်အဆုခေတော့ခီယူတော့အဘအဆုတော့တိဖောဘနော်အကတိယော်ပါတော့အဘအဆုစီကောပါကတိယော်နေစီကောနေအတော့နော်အတိဖောတာပါမနော်တဲတာမနော်တော့ဖိတော့ပကလေကွာစီကောလနော်ခီစီခေါနေတေဗရလေ then he went out and found the body thrown down on the roads with the donkey and the lion standing beside it the lion has neither eaten the body or mules the donkey so the prophet picked up the body of the man of God laid in it on the donkey and brought it back to his own city to mourn for him and bury him. I want to picture matatu thaudo awe tabakuloko panilo no I want to patinya sikola widagani no hine jwa apakanyo asodo siwela aktiyo lo no picture mala pay no pawele aktiyo lo do hakisuwe do we tapwa no hakisu wipu no de to ake pagitama howe do kulokwi olo no ko howe do kulokwi o mana awe ta pagitama la tama asara we le te dogana ywa glu tha dogana paganyo glu tha we dini dekile ne no athiwa le klebu pagitama dinu no athiwa le klebu lo no kai do pagile kwa le no phai ni thasi ne pagile kwa di le no phai ni thasi no phai do pagitama la thasi ne then he laid the bodies in his own tomb and they mourned over him and said oh my brother no pagitama athu sauna tera oh yedopu no pagasi tima dile do pa asula atwaku dawe pu do delo atana pwala aphoku da siwada ala yedopu no tera ala yedopu no lwe ni bwa nyaw lo ni no awene kero wada paraga no le no widaga no ta lwe ni wada we po we wa khi da no le khi ki ro no awe taba mathio no taba mathio le khi yu no bani ta ke to pa khi yu mo no ni ta ko da pakra sugomo siko ta gi te phai le bata mo pu siko phai ni after no burying him he said to his son when I die bury me in the graves where the man of God is God is buried lay my bone beside his bone no panic ten mala no makulokya no panic no tela la no dollar akulokya o lucky ne tama asala agatutara aphokwa phara siba no do ye ti ro akulokya la tatwa ku apu phe yua pa ganyo o kulo atala apu nirki no pa akhilo yakhi akhanirki no awatra pa akhilo yakhi akhanirki no te amala pa aphu khwadi ne mo no no pe lo bigite na mala no for the message that declared by the word of the Lord against the altar in Bethel and against all the no, sharing on the high place in the town of Samaria will certainly come true. No, when it became certainly come true. No, but it when it me tato hekiro da vesicolo. No, penny agidi e takatula akuto yuaglu toda tagalu not ta lulo. Le bitila budo toda he let a lot of color. Le over summary. A way to pop puni, a color top with the pocket law, no, we did not color top with the pocket law, no. Paid off because city mala take to the parlor, bucket to the delay, no pain even, no, pocket mala, even after his Jeroboam did not change his evil way, no. Ulone, Tamata we are lucky, no, Jeroboam, I want to short the lay, pocket ma a clay a thova. David Adama, a clearly thought never change. No, did not change. No penny, that me a lot keen, no saw Yaraba, the hecky, Gadaki bala a clear urba, no, a clear urba, no. But once the most appointed priest for the high place from all sorts of the people, anyone who wanted to become a priest, he consecrates for the high plate only consecrate by high plate no that me a lot keen so yaraba the haki daki le a clear over do pa ki poala pagamu a clara no poala a lot toto no a paluta adulo pagiten ma paro no yera paluta paluta adu no bana do peda pwala aba athane pawe ditu akaketo ta a lot to a paluta adu lo peda aba atha no when it call so yaraba no so sa yaraba ni awe pe aba athane pa ho da no paluta adu no awani pagitete ma dine tulo no awe li so shine kwe pawe dine ho ja no this was the sin of the house of Jeroboam that's lay no penny that's left to its downfall and to cease destruction from the face of the earth no awani pagitinya la no patinya sikola dota temi ke thota de bala so yaraba ahi ago tu no ta dot te kwi o do ma hawo kwi o le hokku klani lo awani mitala so pagitena mala no jerobuya atapita ma no atapita ma ni no tu phani lo pakra pati patale tagiti phai sikolo no okay no tininya ba kha le ywa pa nyo heta hita klo no patinya sikolo ywa pa nyo hewera ni ba po thwera le ywa kle ko po lo ba sadana kini no awe ta ba li ni on do no pagiten ma o ywa ka tu da ro wi da ni sikko ywa ka tu da ro awe da di ye tu ro pagiten ma la okay you are the no the man of God, you are the man of God, God's speaking with you. Okay, you will some people, another people talking about you. Okay, the God talking with me too, right? And then here is the prophet said, okay, the God said, come back with me and then drink with me, okay, eat with me. This means is that the liar, they trick you. But the God never said himself to you. Okay, when it can say take a tutor now. Natamu pua kutara wati miteta ta mimi sikone nana orthiwa no awani matinya nemike we the car not one in an art thiba what you say on man hour no me na on it when is you attack to deal no na hacking in negative no when it no little no kudara na thought over little no kuda no but it didn't do the same thing okay you should think about it for me okay the God never say to me anything that's me I will say you the God never say to me anything the truth thing but I dream something okay I dream something but not really I think about sometimes I think really think okay this is not the truth thing but the God is the powerful okay when the God speak with you he will speak again okay the God will speak again to you okay you don't need to worry about that okay we heard about the Samuel story the God speaks Samuel call again okay and then Samuel go to the Eli said I not call you okay and then go back to sleep the God call again don't think about it people say you people lie to you okay easily okay you will trust okay you will trust I will tell you about that don't think about easily to each other okay don't try each other okay don't try each other because you will be danger no you will be danger don't try each other the gonna but balo na ota pagnol pagdian ma kasa yo ka tudare ya lo kasa yo ka tudare di lo kasa yo ka tudare je ba ma giro tala je ba ma su do tala ne tu balo sukumu da de ne tu no kasa yo ne odo alo akleda we do make tudare na ne ka tudare na lo ti lo so kasa mete le lo haki daki ne okay le haki ne bali no ne da balo ma aron ta bita ma ba no awane kasa yo tetina lo ki pogda ki mea ki pogda ki we gonna key okay follow back okay go evil with him and then drain with him no the God never say the man of God from the Judah all right but he listened to the old prophets okay this mean is the wrong way he did okay I will tell you about the Jesus temptation about Jesus said okay Jesus said you know what the temptation guy coming to the Jesus said about the said to Jesus okay make a stone turn to the bread and then eat it right Jesus said no people not live alone the bread okay only just come from the mouth of God it's a mean that's right thing all right and then you know that Satan sent in the higher place in the Jerusalem okay in the temple higher place but and the jumping down this is not God tell Jesus this means Jesus not listen to the devil this is the great thing you can affirm by yourself okay you don't need to believe any other say to you do like this go like this no way God never say you nothing you will say I don't know okay I don't know the God doesn't tell me this is the right thing you should think about okay I love you so much my friend and my brother okay I want to see you again next time okay thank you so much God bless you all thank you bye bye